पुराय गोंयभर स्ट्रे कॅटल आणि स्ट्रे डॉग्स हाचे खूप मोठे प्रॉब्लेम आसा. ह्या संबंधी आमचे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हेय बी वेगळ्या वेळार तांणी उपाय घेतिल्ले आसात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हाल्लीच रिसंटली तांणी एक स्कीम लॉन्च केल्ली आसा, ती म्हटल्यार कपिला गाय. एखादी वासरू गायचे वासरू हे जर रस्त्यार असले जर जायत आणि ते रस्त्यावेले काढून जर मालकान आपल्या घराकडे सांबाळले जर जाय जाल्यार त्या वासराक एक 80 रुपये दिसाक म्हणजे म्हयन्याक 2400 रुपया त्या मालकाक मेळटा ते वासरू सांबाळपाक. जेणे करून कपिला गाय हे नामाभिधान दिल्ली वासरू जे आसा पळय न्ही ते घरा भितर उरतले, रस्त्यार रावचे ना, वतान फाटले हेतू आसा. रॅबीज संबंधी सुद्दां आमचे एनिमल डिपार्टमेंट कडल्यान वेगळे उपाय आसात आनी तातूंत भितर परत सुदैवान आसा गोंया भितर आमचे NGOs खूब आसात. तातूंतली एक NGO जी जावन आसा ताजे डॉक्टर मुरुगन जे आसा पळय ते मिशन रॅबीज म्हणून तांणी हे संस्था चालू केल्ली आसा. आनीक तांचे एग्रीमेंट जो आसा पळय न्ही तो एनिमल डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन आसा आनी त्या अनुसार मागीर ताजो एक भाग तांच्या मिशनचो एक भाग म्हणून रॅबीज मिशनचो एक भाग म्हणून तांणी शिरोड्या मतदारसंघात विशेष करून डॉग्स स्ट्रे डॉग्स जे आसा पळय त्या संबंधी मुखाल्ले सादारणशे 15 दीस कार्यक्रम घेवपाक थारायिल्लो आसा. ह्या कार्यक्रमाची सुरवात शिरोडे पंचायतीत 19 तारखेक नोव्हेंबराच्या 19 तारखेक सुरवात जातली, जेणे करून फ्री वॅक्सीन जे आसा पळय न्ही ते कुत्र्यांक दिले वतले. पाळीव कुत्रे इवन रस्त्यावयले कुत्रे जे आसा पळय ते अशें धरून हाडले जर जाय जाल्यार तांकां फ्री वॅक्सीन जे आसा पळय रॅबीजचें वॅक्सीन हें दिलें वतलें. 19 तारखेक आमचे हांगसर आसा पळय शिरोड्या पंचायतीत, 22 तारखेक मागीर पंचवाडी, ताजे नंतर मागीर बोरये पंचायतीत 24 तारखेक हांगसर बोरयेचे सरपंच आसात श्री जयेश नायक, तशेंच शिरोडेची पंचायत बाय पल्लवी शिरोडकर आनी डॉक्टर गौरी शिरोडकर. फाटीं आमी हेंच्या सगळ्याच्या आदारान एक ल्हानसो प्रोग्राम केल्लो तो म्हटल्यार स्टेरिलायझेशन ऑफ डॉग्स एंड कॅट्स. आनी जेन्ना हो आमी कार्यक्रम घेतलो हातीन घेतलो तेन्ना शिरोडा पंचायत आनीक 1-2 एजन्सी तेन्ना जवळ जवळ 750 डॉग्स आनी कॅट्स आसा पळय न्ही तांचें स्टेरिलायझेशन आनी वॅक्सिनेशन हें आमी त्या वेळार केलें. हें आतां परत एकदां ह्या तांचे संस्थेची हे घेवन फायदो घेवन आनीक सपोर्ट घेवन आमी हें जें आसा पळय मुखार व्हरपाक पळयतात. फाटल्या 8 दिसां म्हणजे मुखारल्या 8 दिसांक सर्वे जातली. काही हायर सेकंडरीचे भुरगे, काही कॉलेजचे भुरगे, पंचायत मेंबर्स हांच्या मदतीन कोणा कडेन पाळीव कुत्रे आसात, घरा कडेन आसात किंवा घराच्या भायर आसा. पाळीव कुत्रे सुद्दां केन्ना केन्ना घराच्या भायरच आसता, असो सोडिल्लो आसता. तर हे पाळीव कुत्रे जे आसा पळय त्या संबंधी चड करून सर्वे केली वतली, जेणे करून तांकां आंकडेवारी लक्षांत येतली. आनी दुसरें म्हटल्यार ताका चिपींग करतले. जेन्ना वॅक्सीन दितले पळय न्ही त्या वेळारच त्या मनजाती कुत्र्याक ताका चिपींग करतले, म्हणजे त्यामुळे आयडेंटिफिकेशन जातलें. आनी नवीन जो आतां कायदो आयला पळय न्ही म्हणजे अशें कितें म्हणटा ताका वायल्ड डॉग्स बी असले जर जाय वायल्ड म्हणजे रानटी न्ही पूण क्रूर असले जर जाय जाल्यार मालकाचेर ताजें एक्शन जावंक शकता. त्यामुळे हे लक्षात घेवन आमी भितर कादेय बसचे पेक्षा मालकान आपल्याला कुत्र्या संबंधी सगळे प्रकारची काळजी घेवप, ताजें रजिस्ट्रेशन पंचायती करप, ताका चीट नंबर दिवप हें खूब गरजेचें. आनी हें करपा संबंधी मिशन रॅबीज जे आसा पळय न्ही तांणी फुडाकार घेतिल्लो आसा. हांव तांकां विनंती करता की तुमी थोडीशी यू कॅन स्पीक इन डिटेल अबाउट दीस मिशन.
I am Dr. Murugan Appupillai. I am the director for Mission Rabies. Also, I was earlier with the Government of India as ITEC expert in the Indian High Commission and served there, and came to Goa for this project about 10 years ago. And now we are with the Government of Goa in collaboration with the MOU to eliminate rabies disease. And as you all know, this is the first state in India which has been declared and notified as rabies controlled area. And we do not have rabies in our area, that is in our 6 talukas we don't have, except the border talukas which are the virus is coming from Maharashtra border and Karnataka border. But even though we don't have virus inside, anytime the virus is possible to incursion of the virus is possible from Maharashtra. So we need to keep on doing it until the Maharashtra border is secured. So that is the reason every year we have a campaign. Last year it was inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Pramod Sawant, and this year we want to have this campaign with a special theme through our Honorable Minister here. We are doing only in this constituency. In addition to the vaccination, this year we are going to introduce the microchipping program, which Honorable Minister just now explained to you. This microchipping is the best way of identity to the dog. That is, the dog will have the details of the owner and the details of the location, address, and the details of vaccination data, when it was vaccinated, when it was sterilized. So all these details will be embedded into this. This cost about, each dog will cost about 4,000 rupees, which we are going to do it free of cost for this campaign, only in our Honorable Minister's constituency this time. Because last year it was just vaccination, this year we are introducing this new technique. In addition to that, we are also going to have the registration of the dog. Is very important, as you all know, in Goa as well as in other countries, other states. Without registration of dog, dogs are biting people and people are dying all the time, and they don't know which dog was causing this problem. No records, nothing. So dog registration is compulsory. Even in Goa also, before independence also, there is a law enforcing dog registration, dog licensing compulsory, but later on it was not followed up. But now we are trying to start it. Even 2-3 years ago also we tried to start it through Vasco Municipal Corporation and other places. It didn't work out really well. So this time we want to start it with the Honorable Minister. So it will be continued by other people also in the future. In that occasion, we are going to take the data of each pet owners who are having the dogs, what type of dog they have, and at that same time we are also going to microchip. So this dog registration is going to make a start in this constituency this time. Once this is started and successful, then all other constituencies they can follow and we'll be able to help it out. So this is the starting point for these two programs during this vaccination campaign. So during this vaccination campaign, we are also going to bring 2 floats, awareness floats, so that people should feel that we are still having virus. So they should not allow any dog coming from other states without vaccination. So there is a law in force in Goa state. As per this law, anybody who is bringing dog from other state, they should get vaccinated. We have put up hoardings in the checkpost, in railway stations, you could have seen that one. But whether people are following or not, we don't know. So that is the reason we are using this opportunity to promote this in a big way with the 2 floats, one doggy float and another float. This will be going around the constituency during this program from 19th to 24th. So all these constituencies will have a publicity as well as this vaccination, as well as this microchipping, and plus all this data which we are collecting now will be utilized for the ABC program for the second round. Already Honorable Minister has done one ABC program already in this constituency, but nowhere else people are taking up in a big way. So due to the interest of the Honorable Minister, we are here. So secondly, once we have all the data with us, then we are going to support another campaign only for sterilization, maybe after 3-4 months. Then we will have an exclusive campaign because we will have the total data. So as far as the sterilization of the dogs are concerned, please note it down. This will be sterilization. If you sterilize a dog, the dog cannot give puppies throughout their lifetime. This is the plus point. The minus point is if the sterilization is not done in an integrated manner, covering about 70% of the dog, there is no use. Money goes waste. Because if we do less dogs here, and then migration of the dogs will come and you don't get any result. So quickly you just do it. So 70% of the local dogs, if it is done in a integrated manner, that means within the period before the the breeding, that is the dog will have 2 breedings, you understand? So before the 2 breedings, if you could complete the procedure, then you are successful. If you are not successful and doing it a long time or short time, then there will be another breeding, then there will be new dogs coming, that is not sterilized. So this is not the way of doing it. So that type of integrated one more round of ABC we will be able to do it later on after all this data is available with us. So this is something which is going to be a new 2 technologies we are introducing in this constituency this time, and the Honorable Minister is going to support with all his volunteers to get this registration details done for us.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.